Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How? So in today's video, I am going to talk specifically about government cleaning contracts, what not to do when you are looking at obtaining a government cleaning contract. I'm going to give you the one thing that I've heard from contracting officers that make them feel as if you're not ready. Ready? What is the one thing that they feel that means you're not ready for a government cleaning contract when you're not specific on your differentiator? What is exactly you're looking to offer the government that you can say is going to stand out from any other cleaning company, or at least a lot of them? And how are you going to display that? Now remember, with government, you're only using your capability statement. Also, you want to make sure you're registered with DSBS, which is the Dynamic Small Business Search Profile. This is where you can stretch your stuff, showing, telling, and demonstrating how you're going to differentiate you from all the other cleaning companies. You can also make sure that you have your capability statement written down on your website where they can download it. You want to make sure that you're able to verbalize it. And if you're lucky enough, you'll be able to present this in a presentation. It's called a capability briefing, and you'll be able to give that to the contracting officer. So the number one thing that contracting officers have told me is that they feel that you are not focused on what you're offering. You're all over the place. So if you're looking at doing NICS code 561720, which is janitorial, or if you're looking at doing facility services, sanitizing, disinfecting, housekeeping, all of those, think about that. This is one of the most well sought after NICS codes within government contracting. Make sure you write down what are at least 5 areas that's going to differentiate you from all the other cleaning companies making the same noise. If you're able to actually articulate that, you have an outstanding chance of doing a no bid contract with this contracting officer, who is the number one person that is only able to bind you to a contract. So let's get started coming up with those differentiator statements and systems that you want to implement. Once you've gotten your statement, you completely understand what you're going to do and how you're going to differentiate your company from all the others. Make sure you write it down, focus, practice, tweak it, and have it where it's 100%. Now, it's not going to start out that way, so no worries, but work up to that. And if you want to learn more, then guess what? This week, I am having my free masterclass where I'm going to really emphasize what you need to do to win a no-bid cleaning contract with the government. That's right, no bidding. I'm going to talk about really emphasizing building the relationships with the government contracting officers. That way, you don't have to do any bidding. You're ready to go. So if you'd love to know more, then make sure you click in the description on what you need to do to register for the government class. I'm going to have the master class at 7 p.m. on Wednesday. Now, if you're still wanting to do commercial, guess what? On Thursday, I'm going to have my commercial cleaning masterclass, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to get contracts right now. If you've never won a contract before, then guess what? I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to actually attract your first cleaning customer and get your first cleaning contract. So I've got great things in store for you. Looking forward to it. We're almost at the end of the year, so we want to make sure we rev up our revenue, get everything in place so we can close out this year on top and start off next year like right up there. So if you'd like to know more, click the link in the description for both of my master classes, and I'd love to see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.